So I'm kinda concerned about the impact of inflation on my savings. What would you recommend I should do to protect my investments?
Let me help you out. One of the best hedges against inflation is investing in real estate if you have the capital. Real estate tends to appreciate in value over time and can provide a steady stream of rental income.
Sounds good.
Another option is to invest in commodities, such as gold or silver. These safe haven assets tend to hold their value even when inflation rises.
And they look nice in weddings. Right?
No. Anyways, you can also consider investing in stocks or mutual funds that focus on companies that are likely to benefit from inflation, such as those in the energy or materials sectors.
Nice.
You can also invest in Treasury inflation-protected securities, which are bonds that adjust their principal value based on changes in the Consumer Price Index. And finally, you can consider investing in foreign currencies that are likely to appreciate against the dollar.
Wow, I feel better now.
I'm glad. Remember, it's important to diversify your portfolio to protect your savings.